Session is suspended.
Don't file it now because you cannot act within, kasi mag-expire yung Senate eh. So there will be a new Senate. So you have to refile it.
Start from zero.
Oo, magsa-start ng zero. They have to start all over again.
So ang position nyo is the next Congress na.
Yes, next Congress na para klaro.
Complaints.
In the meantime, you complete now your evidence.
Kasi may isa pong school of thought, others are pushing for this. Simulan na yung proseso rito, tapos yung concept na continuing Senate.
Yes, yun ang that you have to do that kasi ang theory ng continuing Senate is that the Senate does not expire unlike the House.
Dahil 12.
Kasi 12, but yung 12 cannot even elect their officers because you need 13. Dati, it was a continuing Senate because one-third lang. You elect only one-third of the Senate every election. So, definitely more than a majority remain. But ngayon, 12 eh. And 12 is not a majority.
So may tulog din yung concept.
Yes, yung concept na yun can lose in the Supreme Court.